Welcome student. In today's lecture we will solve some question related to absolute and conditional convergence. Some questions are shown on the screen. We will try to solve these questions. Before solving these questions, first I briefly discuss absolute and conditional convergence. Series AK, infinite series AK is said to converge absolutely if summation AK mod converges. And remember, if a series is absolutely convergent, if summation AK mod converges, then original series summation AK also converges. If series is not absolutely convergent, summation AK mod diverges, but original series summation AK converges, then series is called conditionally convergent series. If series is not absolutely convergent, summation AK mod diverges and original series summation AK also diverges, then the series is called a divergent series. Now we discuss absolute and conditional convergence of the series summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 4 is power k upon k square. First we take absolute values of this function, this series summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 4 is power k upon k square mod is equal to summation k starting from 1 to infinity 4 power k upon k square. As when we take mod of this series, negative sign is removed as mod converts negative values into positive. So now we test this series. Here AK is equal to 4 power k upon k square. AK plus 1 is equal to 4 power k plus 1 upon k plus 1 whole square. We use a ratio test to test the convergence of this series. Limit k approaches to infinity, AK plus 1 upon AK is equal to limit k approaches to infinity, AK plus 1 means 4 power k plus 1 upon k plus 1 whole square upon AK means 4 power k upon k square. This series can be ratio can be written as limit k approaches to infinity, 4 into 4 power k upon k plus 1 whole square into k square upon 4 power k, k square upon 4 power k. Now 4 power k is cancelled out here. In next step we can write it as limit k approaches to infinity 4 k square upon, here k square, k plus 1 whole square can be written as k square into 1 plus 1 upon k whole square. by taking k square as common, so k square is taken as common. So k square is cancel out here, and this limit is equal to limit k approaches to infinity 4 upon 1 plus 1 upon k whole square. Now after putting limit, it becomes 4 upon 1 plus 0 whole square, which is equal to 4. 4 is greater than 1, which implies given series is not absolutely convergent. Now if a series is not absolutely convergent, now we test this series for absolute convergence, which implies summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 4 upon 4 power k upon k square is not absolutely convergent, is not absolutely convergent. Now we test this series for conditional convergence, as given series is an alternating series. For convergence of this series, alternating series, two conditions must be satisfied. First condition is this series must be a decreasing series, means a1 is less than a2, a1 is greater than a2, greater than a3, up to so on. And the second condition is for convergence of alternating series. First condition is decreasing series, and the second condition is limit k approaches to infinity, ak is equal to 0. Now here ak is equal to 4 power k upon k square, and ak plus 1 is equal to 4 power k plus 1 upon k plus 1 whole square. Ak plus 1 upon ak is equal to 4 power k plus 1, 4 power k plus 1 upon k plus 1 whole square, and ak is equal to 4 power k upon k square. So I write it as k square upon 4 power k. Now this series, this ratio is not less than 1, because for k equal to 1 it becomes 1, for k equal to 2, for k equal to 3, this series is not less than 1, which is not less than 1, means this ratio is not less than 1, which implies this series is not a decreasing series, or associated sequence of this series is not a decreasing sequence. So first condition is not satisfied, which is not less than 1, which is not less than 1. So if this is not less than 1, so first condition is not satisfied, so we do not check the second condition, so we write, which implies summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 4 is power k upon k square is not convergent. In other words, this series is a divergent series. Now we have already proved that given series is not absolutely convergent. Also this series is not convergent, which implies given series is a divergent series, which implies given series is a divergent series. Divergent series. Next question is summation k starting from 1 to infinity cos k pi upon k. First we test this series for absolute convergence. We take mod of this series summation k starting from 1 to infinity cos k pi upon k mod is equal to summation k starting from 1 to infinity 1 upon k. Reason is since cos k pi mod is equal to 1. Since cos pi equal to cos pi is equal to minus 1, cos 2 pi is equal to plus 1, cos 3 pi equal to minus 1. So mod of cos k pi is equal to 1 and mod of k is equal to k since k starting from 1 to positive infinity. So which diverges being harmonic series, as this series is a harmonic series, so it is divergent, which implies given series summation k starting from 1 to infinity cos k pi upon k is not absolutely convergent. Now as this series is not absolutely convergent, so we try to prove it as conditional convergent series. So for conditional convergence, given series summation k starting from 1 to infinity cos k pi upon k can be written as minus 1 raised power k upon k. The reason is summation k starting from 1 to infinity cos k pi, here cos k pi is equal to value of cos k pi is equal to 1 when k is equal to 2, 4, 6 and cos k pi is equal to minus 1 when k equal to 1, 3, 5. For odd values it becomes minus 1, for even it becomes plus 1. So we can write it as summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k upon k. As this is an alternating series with general term ak equal to 1 upon k, in this case this series is not divergent because this is an alternating harmonic series. So in order to test convergence of this alternating harmonic series, first we test this series is decreasing ak plus 1 upon k, ak is equal to 1 upon k plus 1, 1 upon k. Clearly this is equal to k plus k by k plus 1. Denominator is greater than numerator, this is less than 1. So ak plus 1 upon ak is less than ak. So this series is decreasing. So first condition of alternating series test is satisfied. The second one is limit k approaches to infinity, ak is equal to limit k approaches to infinity 1 upon k and this is equal to 0. So second condition of alternating series is also satisfied. Alternating series test. So by alternating series test, summation k starting from 1 to infinity 1 to infinity cos k pi upon k converges. But this series is not absolutely convergent, which implies given series summation k starting from 1 to infinity cos k pi upon k is conditionally convergent. So in this case the second series become an alternating harmonic series. So alternating harmonic series is convergent, but when we take modulus of this series it becomes harmonic series and harmonic series is divergent. So remember, alternating harmonic series is convergent, but harmonic series is divergent. Next question is summation k starting from 2 to infinity minus 1 upon log of k whole power k. So here k varies from 2 to infinity. K is not equal to 1 because for k equal to 1, log of 1 is equal to 0, so it becomes infinite. So uh, first we test this series for absolute convergence. Summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 is power k upon log of k mod is equal to 1 upon log of k whole power k. So when we take mod, so negative minus 1 is power k disappears as it gives positive and negative signs. So ak is equal to 1 upon log of k power k. Here ak is general term. So here we use root test to test the convergence of this series. By root test, summation k approaches to limit k approaches to infinity, a k power 1 upon k is equal to limit k approaches to infinity 1 upon log k power k whole power 1 upon k. So power is cancelled out here. So we get limit k approaches to infinity 1 upon log of k, and log of infinity is equal to infinity. 1 upon infinity is equal to 0, which is less than 1. So by root test, limit k approaches summation k starting from 2 to infinity minus 1 upon log k whole power k is absolutely convergent. As mod of this series is convergent, so this series is absolutely convergent. As this series is absolutely convergent, we can also write that this series is convergent because absolutely convergent series is a convergent series.